Okay, I'm going to try and make these videos fast because I know there's a lot of them. Angle ABC is congruent to which angle? So let's highlight what ABC is. The middle letter is B, so that means that that's going to be the vertex. So we're talking about this angle right here, that angle. And that's got a single mark to it, so we're looking at this angle that's got a single mark to it as well. And let's name it in order because it's going from the one with 2 marks down to the one with 1 mark to the one with 3. Okay, so we want to go the one with 2 marks down to the one with 1 mark to the one with 3. So we want to name PNM, angle PNM. And when we see that, we see PNM. Let's see, PNM. I guess that would be this one because they named it backwards out of order, but it's still the same angle because N is the middle vertex with a single mark. So PNM or NMP, we're going to mark it, and we're done.